Well, good afternoon, everybody. Well, I decided to help students who prepare for IELTS in a different way. Well, for this, I'm going to make videos and tutorials to help the students. At first, I'm planning to start with writing task 2. So let me give the name IELTS writing task 2. It's one of the most challenging parts of IELTS, and for these reasons, actual students are a bit worried and they don't want to take examination. But it's not true, because writing task actually requires not a lot of things from you. You just need to be well prepared, and you should have more confidence. I have to admit that there are 4 criteria while assessing the IELTS essay. The first is coherence, and I'm going to explain all of them with you later. And secondly, vocabulary. Then 3 is the grammar knowledge, and 4 is task achievement. Let's analyze them one by one again. For example, coherence. You can understand in a simple way like logical, how logical your essay is. How well you organize and how well you explain your idea. After reading your essay, do we understand the main idea of the essay or not? Vocabulary is a lexical resource. So, are you using some interesting and also topic words? This resource. For instance, if the topic is about education, you have to use synonyms, a lot of new words, and a bit less common. We can call it less common words. I mean, not daily language words. Through our lesson, we are going to discuss them one more time. About grammar, the name indicates that you need to show here nice and accurate grammar. So I'm going to write here accurate grammar. Accurate sentence. Sentences in terms of grammar. Final task achievement. It indicates how many words have you written. I mean, the minimum number is 250. So have you written 250 words or not? Do you have the nice structure? Do you have conclusion, introduction, all sorts of things. Introduction. So task achievement indicates, does your essay answer all the criterions that IELTS examiners expect from you? Introduction, bodies, as well as conclusion. Generally, in IELTS writing task 2, we are given 40 minutes. 40 minutes to write, as I said earlier, minimum 250 words. 250 is minimum number, so you should write more than that number. Coming back to our essay types, there are many question types. First of all, we have to start with discussion essays. Discussion essay, the name also can explain you something. The question usually says, for example, discuss both points and give your opinion. So I think it's quite understandable why this essay is called discussion, because the topic says discuss both points and give opinion, and as a result you must say your opinion in the end of your essay. The second one is like argument. in the argument essay usually there are not two sides. There's usually one side, and the question usually says like that: to what extent do you agree or disagree? Disagree. Well, here we have to say if we agree or disagree, and plus we have to say to what extent. It means how much you agree. Do you completely agree? Do you strongly agree, or do you partly agree, etc. Throughout our tutorial, we're going to address all these questions. Is how much we agree. Well, let's continue. The next part is like outweigh essay. It's also one of the common topics. Outweigh essay. Well, how does the question come? The question says that do the advantages of this idea, something like idea, it depends on topic, outweigh the disadvantages or its disadvantages. Now the topic is also similar to opinion, because you should also say your opinion here. But along with that, you should say, are there more advantages or disadvantages? By the way, outweigh means surpass, or in other way we say excel, to be more than the other. Then we have got other topics like cause and effect. Here, commonly, we don't have to write our ideas, our opinion, personal opinion, I'd like to mention, and then solution, and we may also have double question. Fine, there are some indicators, some division of the essay topics, but they are not all, because sometimes we may see less common questions, and over our essays discussions we will see them one by one. But the 6 topics are most common. 95% situation these essays appear in exam question. So throughout our next tutorial, I'd like to go back to discussion essay and write essay with you to see that how well we can organize our essay. So don't forget to follow us and write your ideas. If anything unclear, we can discuss them in our subsequent video materials. Thank you for watching.